Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. We're traveling today out at Saguaro Central, the 15-inch gauge railway project that we're working on. You can see behind me, the loop of track is now complete, but we've got a couple of important jobs to do with that steam locomotive, the American, today, so hope you can join me. Well, most of our work today is going to be in the shed here. We've got to get this equipment moved out. We're going to take the large wooden cab and we're going to bring that home. We've got to do some work on that. But most importantly today, we've got to see if we can get the boiler moved up and off and set down on some 4x4s today on that 15-inch gauge American locomotive. So, should be fun.
So I could shove this stuff in the boxes.
Alrighty, ready to go back to the shop. And so our next challenge for the day, along with moving a whole bunch of stuff out of the shed here, is we've got to get this boiler up and off the chassis. So here's what has to happen for us to get our job done today. This tender, we're going to have to roll this back and we're going to have to get it off that track and get it onto this track over here so that we can back this locomotive up and get it positioned here so we can get the tractor in and get the forklift on it. So move the tender, move the loco, and pull the boiler. Wait till you get a load of this beast that's going to help us with the lift. To help us with the move on that tender and the loco, we're going to snag this little bit of track.
This is the end. We need to spin it around. Can you manage that end, or we'll do it when we get it there, I think. Got the human ends. Here we go. Still.
We're not there yet. Just crossing. Looks good. Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's good.
Looks good. Looks good. You got a block in the end, so you're good.
So you can see we laid that piece of temporary track down and we pulled the tender onto it, we had to just shim it up slightly so that the height of the railhead matched. And now we're just putting some straps on there so we can lift it up with the beast and drop it over on that piece of rail there. Now, this is super heavy, but it's kind of just like your little Lionel train at home, just a lot heavier, and you just need more beefy equipment to move it around.
So we'll start with this end.
Whew, that was not nice lifting those trucks.
Check it up. Okay. Okay, you gotta go to you, Bob. Okay, down. Down. Oops! That's all right. No worries. Up slightly. Up.
Okay. All right, come on down, down. Hold it right there. Come on down. Okay, we're on here. Yeah. Come on down. Straight down. Stop. There we go. Down. All the way down. All the way down. Let me see if my fingers are out of here. Whew.
All right, we got the tender on the other track. Now, time to yank the locomotive out here and see if we can get the boiler off. Next phase is we got to get this loco roll down the rail there and onto that temporary section of track, and hopefully with the big beast, with the ganglia, we can drag it back enough to get the gates closed on this shed.
How's those tire wheels looking?
We're on. We're good. Need a stop?
Yep.
Alrighty, we're gonna try and do this Barney style.
This just clears the gate. Good.
We can close the gate, we got enough clearance, and we did Fred Flintstone style drag on that.
Did you videotape that? I don't ever want to do that again.
The consensus is that we never ever want to do that again. So now we can get at the frame and we can get at that boiler. All right, we got some cribbing here. We think this will support the boiler. We played with Lincoln logs as kids, so this is no problem for us.
Yes, good work. Stop! You can tip it forward.
And there's the engine, all exposed. We'll be able to get some work done on that. And there's the boiler up on blocks, ready for the first of a couple of inspections that need to be done. Well, I don't know about you, but that's about all the excitement I can take for one day. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you'll continue to stay with us for this mini-series on this American locomotive, and you'll join me right here next time on the Crow's Nest Railroad.